Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Christine Mweti. Kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up, support your girl. And yeah, you guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look, it's very simple. It's my daily go-to makeup look. Keep watching this video. A simple face beat, guys. And normally when I'm going for the simple look, I go for this Pauline Cosmetics liquid foundation. I love this foundation. It's only like 1600 shillings, but it's not matte. I'd say that they have written here matte formula. It's not matte at all, and it's a good foundation. I'd say I even like it better than my MAC one. I love this foundation. It's so good and so cheap, and yeah, this is my everyday foundation. So normally I pump it on the back of my hand, and then I take foundation brush and apply. Okay, so I go all over my face with this. Let's blend. I use this foundation brush to blend in the foundation. I normally start with my forehead because my forehead is so pigmented than the rest of my face, so I like it to have the minimum foundation because it's darker than the rest of my face. Make sure you blend your foundation properly. Like how you blend your foundation determines how your face is gonna look. Lately my face has not been doing so well. I've changed my whole skincare routine, and I'm using these new products now, and I hope they really work because I never have acne or rashes or pimples, none of that. But lately my skin has not been so clear, so let's add more foundation. With this foundation, you guys, you have to build it up because it's very light. If you're somebody that does not like the full makeup beat look, you should definitely go with one layer. But if you want more coverage, you should definitely do more than one layer. So let's do another layer. So after I've blended out with the brush, I'm gonna blend some more with the blender. This is a cotton blender, or some people call them sponges. I've already used it to do my eyes. Don't forget your neck. And now guys, I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Legal Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Cool Tan. So I normally get a shade lighter. I've been using Fawn for a long time, but I realized Fawn is the same skin tone as I am, so now I'm using the Cool Tan. It's supposed to be a shade lighter than you. This I get for like 500 shillings. You highlight under your eyes, okay, like so. normally you're supposed to highlight the places that you are kinda having high pigmentation, like dark patches or spots or whatever. So normally I'm not that pigmented around my eyes or my mouth, but it's kinda darker. So yeah, then we're gonna blend that in. Some people let it sit for a bit, but for me, I have such a dry skin that when I put it there, it kind of dries off. So I'm gonna blend it in now. Guys, if you want your makeup to stay on, you have to use powder. So I am using banana powder, and I'm not gonna use much because, as I told you guys, my skin is very dry, and if I use a lot of powder, then it dries off. So I don't bake. I put in the brush and beat out the excess. Ooh. After I beat out the excess, then I put it on my face. Do you see the difference between both sides? This is a bit more shiny, right? I do the same for the other side, powder. So now after that, I am going to be doing my lower eyelid. I think that's what it's called. So I am going to powder my face again because I just realized I didn't put enough powder, and yeah, that's it. I don't want to be so shiny. I'm going to do my lips, but before my lips, I am going to do my highlight. You guys, my highlighter fell and cracked and broke my heart at the same time. But it's okay, it's life, I guess. Okay, it's life. I'm using this brush that I love so much. I don't remember what brand was this, but I love this brush. It's life. So how I highlight, this is how I highlight. I put a little bit with my finger at the bridge of my nose right there, and right at the end over here, okay? And then I use the brush to bring it down and up and down like so, okay? And yeah, voila, that's it. That's all I do for my nose highlight. And this is meant to make your nose look a little bit snatched, okay? If you want your nose to seem a little bit tinier than it really is. And then for this, I put on the weirdest smiles, or is it smile ever. So I do this, and then I put it like that. And on the other side, okay, like, and then I also put some here. Right there. Okay, then once I'm done with that, I take the brush that I used for the powder and blend the whole face, because I don't want the highlight to be like screaming like on your face, bitches. Okay. I am going to use the Huda Cosmetics lip gloss. This is the Luminous lip gloss in Pink Blossom. I love this. So gonna put on a little bit, just a little. And then I am going to line my lips, because guys, if you line your lips without putting any gloss, it's like so dry and it can like hurt you. So I'm using my Davis pencil in number 18, and I need to sharpen it more because it's a little blunt. So once I'm done with the, I line them and then I take it a little bit in, and then now I'm gonna put the gloss. There guys, what do you think? That's it. After that, I finish up with the Fix Plus. Let that dry, let that dry. I love this, it just feels so cool. I think I'm done guys, that's it. That's the simple look that I do almost every day when I do makeup. So yeah, let's take out the hair and let's brush the hair. And yeah, that's the full look guys. That's it. I only need my earrings now and I'm good to go, although I'm gonna change this top. But yeah, that's the look. How do you like it? How do you like it? If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you have not already subscribed, kindly subscribe, and yeah, see you next time.